Hello everyone. As you can see here, this is a picture depicting a gentleman wearing a cap and gown, most likely just coming from graduation, and his dog with him. The gentleman has a content look on his face, implying that he probably did graduate, while the dog looks a little less content, but all the less okay being there. To provide some insight, this is actually a picture of me upon graduating from South Dakota State in 2015. I had been at school for about 12 years at that point in time. I graduated from high school in '04 and bounced around and around and around. I ended up going to St. John's University, Augustana College, St. Cloud State University, before finally settling down at South Dakota State. Education had always been something that was incredibly important to me. My entire family held degrees. My sister even holds a doctorate degree. And therefore, I always kind of felt like they were looking down on me for not having any sort of degree at that stage in my life. I moved around a lot. I had a messy split up and had to move back to Sioux Falls, which is when I purchased Thor and settled down in my house right here. And that's kind of when things started to change for me. I really sat down, focused, put in that hard work, and looked to the goal I wanted to accomplish. I knew I wasn't going to become a doctor right away. I knew I wasn't going to do anything with that, but I could go back and finish those generals and get that degree and show myself that I was capable of doing that and doing anything by doing that in a sense. And that's exactly what I did. I hunkered down, I worked, and to this day, I still like to look at this picture as a sense of perseverance and just strength that I was able to show that I honestly did not think that I was physically going to possess in myself at any time. Thank you.